Hi, I am Nar Habib Timino from Barm Region at Mama sa Maguindanao del Sur, member of Alsarip Irrigators Association. As a young farmer, we have an advocacies and initiative. First is sustainable agriculture, advocating for environmentally friendly farming practices that promote soil health, water conservation, and biodiversity. This often is involved to reducing reliance on chemical inputs and incorporating organic methods. Second is economic development, fostering the economic growth through agribusiness ventures, which may involve creating jobs opportunities, supporting small-scale farmers, and enhancing rural development. But suddenly, as a young farmer, there are a lot of problems encountered like capital and financing. And this is the example with the passing of our 14 goats. We are with their memory and the love left behind. May their loss be replaced by new hope and happiness in the future. And I hope financial and trainings will help us to avoid such disaster and get back again. I hope so.